Namaste and welcome. How are you guys doing? So today we are doing this gradient stamping nail art. I don't know what to call it yet. Leave some naming suggestion in the comment section below. So first of all, let's see the products I will be using for this nail art. As always, I am starting off with the UNT Peel of base coat. Then I will be using this nail polish for my base and some liquid latex. Then for the gradient, I am using this Foolzy nail polish, then this Born Pretty Store grey nail polish and this black. And we will also need some cleanup brush. For stamping, I'm using white nail polish, the stamper, and at the end we will need some top coat. So I'm starting off with the base coat as usual. Then I am applying one coat of this neon green nail polish. It is quite sheer, but don't worry, we will do gradients over it. Then I am applying a lot of liquid latex because we will make a mess. So for the gradient, I am applying the neon green nail polish, then grey, and then the black nail polish, and just dab it on. And that doesn't look very nice. So I am doing it again and again and again until this looks decent enough. I think it took me 4 to 5 coats before it started looking somewhat decent. Now I'm just removing my liquid latex, and I have lost my tweezers, so that's why that was happening, and do some cleanup. After that, you are going to apply some top coat before we proceed to next step, which is stamping. So this is the stamping plate I am using. Just apply some white nail polish over the design and then scrape it and pick it up and stamp it. By the way, before stamping I did apply more liquid latex, and now I'm just removing that. Do some cleanup, and after that apply some top coat, and yeah, that's how it looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can watch more here, or you can subscribe here if you would like to, and I will see you guys in my next one. Namaste.